Oh, it's big. Oh God, my finger. Ah. Little halibut. Now we got a fire out here. This is an evening session. It's about 5 o'clock right now. So we have a few hours to fish. Hopefully we get into some of that golden hour. I have a limited selection of rods and baits, and I'm just gonna fish with what I have, and hopefully we can get bit on this stuff. Water temp is extremely warm. It's in the 70-degree range. It's low tide right now, so we'll be fishing the tide going high. All right, let's get fishing. It is the evening and it is a weekday. Ton of boats on the water. Not a bad thing, but we just have to be careful and watch out so we don't get destroyed out here. Look at, we got these fools crisscrossing right here. Doing a little meetup. We got every bird in the ocean at this island right now. They're going absolutely crazy out there. Right now I'm just slow rolling that war blade over the top of the eelgrass. There we go. Good bite, dude. Good bump, good bite. There he is. Nice fish. Exactly what we're here to do is find, look at how fat this guy is. He's been eating on something. Good spotty. Nice bite. Not legal, but definitely a fat boy. Let's get him back in. That's the Sexy Dean war blade. It's our WARBAITS swim jig with the blade attached to the hook. When they bite that blade, they get that hook. What are you doing? There it is, Mission Bay. Summertime, this is what's up.
How you been doing today?
Oh, I just got out here. Yeah, how about you?
I've been at about 2 hours.
No?
No. It's right over there, and then the bridge. Pretty slow.
Oh, dude, there's something on this thing. There's something, I just caught this line and there's something on it.
Really?
Oh, it's big. Oh God, my finger. Ah, it came off. Oh, goodness gracious. It was huge. Caught someone's line, I almost ripped my finger off. Someone lost something big today. Yeah, I just got 2 right here. 2 fish in this area. That hurt. Oh my God, guys, I almost lost my finger. That line was wrapped around my, that thing is pulling so hard, it must have been like a huge stingray or something. This feels like 20-pound mono. That was a real close one, dudes. Look at, you can see where that thing dug in, man. Whew, close one. There we go. Pretty slow on the bottom there. I wouldn't say on the bottom, but just slow on the retrieve. Slow retrieve. There we go. And he hit the lighter bait, so the one that was a little higher in the water column. Again, a jugged bass. Look how big his stomach is. It's feisty. Decent one, probably 11, 12 incher. They need to be 14 inches, but packed. Stomach is packed again. You can hear the engines now. Black smoke means something chemically is burning. There's that island. There's the sun. That's how much time we have to fish before we're out of here. It's crazy out here right now. Look at this, guys. This dude just, it's wild out here, boys. So this is summertime fishing in Mission Bay. Hopefully in like an hour, all these people will be gone. We got a couple fish, got a couple bites. I think the water's stained. It's definitely like a avocado green looking color. Nice, very cool. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah.
about video games and outside, you know?
Gotta get outside.
Yeah, right on.
Yeah, they're here, getting several bites, but I think once all these people leave and the sun goes down a little bit more and the tide gets, it's starting to come in, so
Yeah.
something will happen.
Yeah, we're gonna go swim.
All right, good seeing you guys. Thanks for the support.
Yeah.
There we go. Feels like a really small fish. And it is, but we got one. Double rig strikes. And he came off. All good. I think we're in small fish zone, guys, but hey, we're gonna keep with it. If you can hear me or not hear me, these birds are going crazy. We're at Bird Island right now. There we go, there we go. That might be a double bite. That might be two fish. Felt him eat it. Nope, single. There we go. Spotty kind, double rig. That's 2 bites, 2 casts, so we might be into something here. I saw these birds diving over here, so maybe they're on some bait over here. Please don't. Why would you turn right here? What's up? Fishing. What's up? Fishing? Yeah, I'm fishing. Why are you in front of me? The f are you doing? A lot of things going on out here. There's a lot of different situations out here. It's scary out here. If you're on the water like me, I'm scared, man. It's scary out here. There's a lot of jet skiers running around. And the thing with the jet skiers is they don't know the rules. They don't care, actually. I mean, most of these people are tourists and, you know, they're out here for a good time and whatnot. See, right here we have a upside down jet ski or something. We have 4 people paddling to that boat, and we got this whole jet ski crew whipping around this island, and the people on the boat are yelling because it's getting a little scary out here. And I'm probably on my last cast right here, and then I'm gonna make a move myself because I don't want to get by one of these jet skis. Nice bite. Nice bite. Tackled it. Big time grab. Nice fish too. Mid underspin with the kicker PK3 on there and a nice spotted bait bass color. I finally found a good drift and a good bait for the area that I'm in. I'm gonna go ahead and keep with it. There we go, we loaded them that time. They were biting on it, finally loaded them up. It's really working that rod tip up, single. All right, all right, all right. He's getting bit almost the whole time on that cast. These birds are going crazy. It is what it is. This is where the fish are, so we're gonna stick with it. Another cookie cutter size spotted bait bass. Of course, we're looking for some bigger ones, but I'm taking anything that bites right now. You know how we do it. I'm on a time limit. I like to feel the pressure, try to get those bites within a certain amount of time. There we go. Dude, he was chewing on that thing. He had a slight chew on it. always find it interesting to see which bait these things hit. This one hit that top arm bait. Smaller guy, but I'm down to get bites right now. That's what it's all about. Oh boy, we got split by 2 speedboats now. Oh my god, that race off. Shit's crazy out here, boys. It's crazy out here. Good to get another warblade fish. It's a bit bigger as far as heavy. Here it comes. Yeah, that's a nice spotty. Bigger fish ate the bigger bait. Yeah. There we go. Nice warblade bass. There he is. There we go. Not fighting back. What's the deal if you're not fighting back? Halibut. Halibut, guys. Halibut. I don't think he's legal, but might be. Maybe. Let's give him a measurement. No, he's not. He's not legal. There we go, guys. Little halibut. Nice one, not legal. Good to get one. They say if there's one, there's two. So maybe we'll find another one. Smoking the baits a little bit. Everything's a little bit messed up, which is a good thing. That means we've been getting the bites. There we go. Did we get one to stick? We got one to stick. Okay, that was pretty wild. Sped it up a little bit. So maybe that's what we need to do is, ooh, these fish are warm. Got that 78-degree water out here. All right, let's speed this retrieve up a little bit. Maybe we can get some more bites. We're in that golden hour right now. Sun is dipping down. Everything's turning orange and gold. Clouds are looking good. Trying to get bites. Trying to get these final bites for the evening here. It's gonna be my last drift. Came out from pretty much 4:30 to, it'll probably be around 7:30 or 8 by the time I get done. Got the lights on in the bow. This time of day, you know, people have been drinking a little bit and they're running their boat pretty quick, and they're probably not going to be seeing a kayak. They won't be looking out for a regular kayak, so got to throw the lights on just to be safe. That's not a spotty. That's a spotty. That's a spotty. Look at that rod bend. It's a good spotty. Cool. Ooh, he's a bigger one. We'll get a measurement on this guy. Oh yeah, he's a good one. Sundown, golden hour, decent bass. Here, can you guys see it? Let me see if I can do this without. He's right on the dot. 14. All right. Mission Bay, legal spotted bay bass. Get him back in. There we go. Kind of chaotic, from the jet skiers to the boats to the birds. Almost got my finger lopped off by something giant attached to that line. It was a little bit of a chaotic time, but it was fun. It was fun fishing. I'm glad I got out, and it's always good to get out and learn a little something. That way it can help me out or help you out the next time you guys get on the water. So a quick note, I really think those fish were by those birds. There's a bunch of bait over there by those birds, and those birds were just diving on it, eating on it, and that's where I got most of my bites. I want to thank you guys for all the support you're giving WARBAITS and this channel. We're growing, and it's because of you. The online store is busy daily, and we're shipping daily. And we're also getting those store orders out. I know it's been a little bit of a lag time in there, but we are super busy this summer. We're fulfilling those orders and shipping them as soon as possible. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to those. And as always, get out there, go fishing, hook that giant.